Step 1. Disassemble the ESC. Loosen the bolts of the motor cable clamps and remove the clamps. Disconnect the motor power cable and taillight cable. Remove the screws of the ESC housing and lift up the cover. Disconnect the ESC from all the components. Step 2. Detach the light panel. Use a utility knife to gently slice through the adhesive on the back of the light panel. Disconnect the cables and remove the light panel. Step 3. Install a new light panel. Clean the adhesive residue from the old light panel. Follow this video to insert the connecting cables into the new light panel. Be sure to follow the video exactly and insert the cables into the corresponding ports. Do not mix them up. You can find the cables diagram attached at the end of this video. Peel off the adhesive backing and stick the light panel inside the compartment. Step 4. Install the new ESC. Follow this video to connect the cables. Cable diagram attached at the end. Lock this cable into the cable clamp. Wrap this connector with foam tape and insert it into the slot. Put the ESC housing cover on. Tighten the screws. Connect the taillight power cable and the motor cable. Install the motor cable clamps and tighten the screws.